Here's a great deal on a 2005 Toyota Sienna. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, front and rear air conditioning, rear wipers, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.